Okay, turn around. Go that way. Go, girl. Come on. There you go. Like I showed you. Like Daddy showed you. There you go. Go, Christina. Go, Christina. Turn around, babe. Turn around, babe. Woo! Oh, be careful. You okay? You gotta remember, it's slippery. You gotta keep your feet on the pedals. Go, girl. Go over the hump. Go over the speed bump. Watch out. She's about to do a stunt right here. Okay, ready? Go. This way. Turn left. Turn right. The other way. There you go. Go in a circle. There you go. Stay on the bike. Yeah, you ain't gonna get off the bike. Go on the bump. Ready? Oh, go girl! And she's out. Oh, Daddy gotta run. Daddy gotta run to catch up to you. Oh, she's flying. Hello. Okay, turn back around. Let's go back home. Say hi to the camera. Good girl. Uh-oh. There you go. Push, baby. Push. Push. There you go. Here we go again. Here you go. Faster, baby. Faster. Look at you. Look forward, girl. You're going to fall. Okay. You got to push with your legs harder, baby. Uh-oh. She might need some help on this one. Oh! Go, girl. Okay, let's go back home. Okay, push with your legs, baby. Push with your legs. It's a little heel. Little heel right here. Go, girl. Push. There you go. You got it. She got turning skills, y'all. Watch this. Turn, baby. Oh, she's gonna wipe out. Look at the camera, baby. Woo, you tired? No, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Okay. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
Okay, pick up your bike. Don't just leave it on the floor, girl. Pick up your bike. You gotta take care of your bike. Your mama bought you that bike. There you go.
You see?
You can hop back on it. Hop back on it and go to the house. Hop back on it. Jump on it. No, girl, ride it. Okay, she wants to walk it. Okay, say bye to the camera. Say bye, girl.
Bye.
Look at the camera and say bye.
Bye.